And hello, my dear friends from the Far East again. This time we are visiting Bangkok, a city I've never been to before. And by the way, Bangkok has the longest city name in the world, which is not Bangkok. Actually, it has a second name, which roughly translates into City of Angels. If you want to know more about it, Google it. The best way to get around in Bangkok is, of course, to take a long-tail boat. If you don't know what's a long-tail boat, then definitely you have to do it. It's a long wooden boat with a crazy engine at the back, which you probably can hear. And then you go through the city at an insane speed. At the moment, I think we are half the speed it can go. And then you enjoy the beautiful temples alongside the water. Ask him to take you to the Klongs. It's a nice word. Klong. And this is the old Bangkok where people still live by the river, in the water, with the water. You see some interesting housing. Now we are turning around and going back to the Mandarin Oriental Hotel. And after you finish your long-tail boat ride, just stop by at the Mandarin Oriental. The boat can drop you directly at the pier of the hotel, and it's a nice and especially very quiet, quiet place. The veranda, and here we'll have a nice steak. Let's see. And this is the Wat Arun temple, which I highly recommend to visit because it is far less crowded. The whole temple is as big as a small village, and you can even have a coffee with one of the monks here. Another great site of Bangkok is the Long 1919, which was an old Chinese business area, and a shrine is here, which is over there. At the moment, unfortunately, it is under renovation. You can still visit it. There is some artworks on display. It has a nice atmosphere. However, it is not as busy as it usually was. One way of getting around Bangkok. Bangkok has horrible traffic. So we are now in a tuk-tuk. It's probably not the cheapest way of getting around, very touristic. but I like the sound it makes. You get the smell of the air, beautiful smell in Bangkok. And you at least have the feeling you're getting there a little bit faster, even though you're not.
Well worth a visit is the Grand Palace in the middle of Bangkok. Just one thing to say, when you come, take a t-shirt covering your shoulders and take long pants. Otherwise you have to buy pants at the entrance, then you look like me.
When the night kicks in, it's time to hit one of the small street kitchens in Bangkok for some delicious food or some freshly squeezed juice, or have a drink at one of the rooftop bars.
And here we have the Mr. Falcone Rooftop Special Bangkok Edition. And we are here at the Octave in the Marriott Bangkok Hotel eating fish, but it is 1 out of 3 of my top rooftop picks in Bangkok.
And this, my dear friends, was my little introduction into Bangkok. And you already might have seen this is not Bangkok, because this is already my next destination. So stay tuned for the next video and you will find out where I am right now.